Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us learn the second method to find the area of a rhombus. Objective of this activity to derive a formula for finding the area of a rhombus. Second method. Materials required: a sheet of white paper, a sheet of glazed paper, geometry box, a pair of scissors, a tube of glue. Procedure. Step 1. Construct any rhombus ABCD on a sheet of white paper. Draw its diagonals AC and BD intersecting at a point O as shown in figure. Let D1 and D2 are the lengths of the diagonals AC and BD respectively. Next step, draw lines EF and HG passing through the points B and D respectively and both parallel to the diagonal SC. Also draw lines EH and FG passing through the points A and C respectively and both parallel to the diagonal BD. So, we obtain a rectangle EFGH as shown in figure 2. So, observe this figure. So, here we obtain finally a rectangle EFGH. Next step, make an exact copy of the rhombus ABCD on the glazed paper. Draw diagonals AC and BD. Cut the four triangles AOB, BOC, COD and DOA. Paste these triangles in the rectangle EFGH outside the rhombus ABCD as shown in this figure. Then observations and calculations. We observe that the portion of the rectangle EFGH which lies outside the rhombus ABCD is exactly covered by the four triangular parts of the rhombus ABCD. So, the area of the rectangle EFGH is equal to product of two adjacent sides, that is EH into HG, that is equal to EF into FG, that is also equal to SC into BD or D1 into D2. That means the area of the rectangle EFGH is equal to D1 into D2. Now the rectangle ABCD is divided into four similar rectangles AEOB, BOCF, ODGC and ASDO. All are congruent rectangles. Similarly, each of the smaller rectangle is divided into two parts of their diagonals. For example, EAOB. AB is the diagonal and the area of a triangle EAB is equal to the area of the triangle AOB. So, it can be written as area of rectangle EHGF is equal to sum of the areas of four small rectangles that is equal to 4 into 2 into area of triangle AOB, that is equal to 2 into 4 into area of triangle AOB, that is equal to 2 into area of the rhombus ABCD. That means it concludes that the area of the rectangle EFGH is equal to twice of the area of the rhombus ABCD. So, area of the rhombus ABCD is equal to half of the area of rectangle EFGH, that is equal to half D1 into D2. As earlier we proved that the area of the rectangle EFGH is equal to D1 into D2. So, here we found that the area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. So, we got the result. The area of a rhombus is half the product of its diagonals. Thank you.